into this flow that's going to help you deal with balance in life as we challenge our physical balance and deal with the frustration or disappointment or judgment that we might cast upon ourselves and our ability in our body. It is going to help you deal with a balance on an emotional and spiritual level. So let's get right into it. We're going to be standing up beautifully tall, spreading your feet, engaging those glutes, really engage them. Shoulders are open and just dripping down the back. Arms are beautiful and heavy. Just imagine you've got weights in your arms, just bringing you down. Heart is super soft. Engage that belly. Think about just scooping the belly button toward the side. We're going to start with some shoulder rolls. Inhale, shoulders up to your ears. And then let it go. Roll them back. Be really, really slow with your breath. Inhale. Let it go again. Amazing. We're going to inhale. Arms all the way up. Squeeze the bottom. Hands look really, really long. Imagine someone has your wrist and they're pulling the bottom. And on your exhale, you're going to swing. Shoo! And then you can see your arms all the way around and back up. Down. Take it to the top. Hands over here. Inhale, the shoulders up to your ears. Again. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, drop. Shoo! And then swing the arms around. We're going to send our weight into our left foot, point the right. We're going to bring it into our chest. 1 and 2. On the exhale, bring it in. 3 and 4. Other side shifting. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. Back to the beginning. Engage those glutes, shoulders roll. Arms go up and drop. Shoo! And all the way around. Circle. Shifting to the left, we go in. And 2 and 3 and 4. Bring it in. Left hand to right knee, right hand to right hip. Right here. You gaze forward, or you can take a turn with the head. You can even open the arm to the side. We're dealing with that wobble, it's okay. And we're going to step back, other side. It's totally fine to get out of balance. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it in, grab the knee and the hip. Stay right here, or you can turn that head. Open that arm, squeeze that belly button toward the spine. Find that gorgeous balance. Lengthen, 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 pressing into the mat. Reaching out above, lower it down. From the top, inhale, roll the shoulders. Arms go up. Swing, shoo! Way around. Bring it in the right. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it in, hand to knee and hip. Turn if you like. Bringing the torso forward. We're going to send that foot back and reach it into our right hand. Left hand comes all the way up, nice and long. Squeeze the feet together. Squeeze. Really reach that arm. Relax the shoulder. Right here, gorgeous. Now, you kick in to that foot. It's going to help shift your weight forward a little bit. This is a dance pose. Doesn't matter where you're at. Just pay attention to what is available to you. You want to come really slowly out of it. That is the balance we're going for. We're going in and out of balance. Wobbling is part of the process. Other side. In. 2, 3, 4. Next one, we grab the knee and the hip. You can open it up if you want. Squeeze that belly button toward the spine. Lengthen the spine, pressing through a supported leg. Bring that torso forward. Right hand goes up, left hand goes toward the foot. Right here, squeeze the glutes. Relax the shoulder, but lengthen, lengthen, lengthen the hand. Pressing through that supported foot and leg. You're going to kick if you like. That's going to shift your torso forward into your dancer. Find that glorious balance. Every time. Not a competition. It's just letting back the body. And slowly. And lower back to the hand. through your supported leg, kicking into the right hand. Right here, kick, kick, kick. And then it's going to just naturally take your body at a place that works for you. Slowly come out of it. Slow, 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 slow. Reach, reach, reach in opposite directions. Oppositional things, my friends. Bringing it here. We're going to turn. Lower those toes. Hands come to prayer. Now you can be right here. This can be your tree. You can lift up the foot and place it just above your ankle on your shin. This can be your tree. Right here. If you want to even extend it, you can take it above the knee and press the foot to the inner thigh. We want to find balance. We're going to shift in and out. Feel free to challenge yourself, but we don't want to be falling over. We want to take care of our joints. Pressing into the supported leg as the supported leg presses into the floor. We're going to gently let go, turn the knee in and lower. Shifting to the other side, pulse the knee in. And 1, and 2, 3, 4. Next one, grab the knee and hand on hip. Opening, rotate to the side, squeeze that belly button towards the spine and bring it forward. Sending the foot back, grabbing it with left hand. Right arm goes up, squeeze your glutes together, reaching, reaching, reaching. Reaching through the hand, relax that shoulder, pressing through the foot. Kicking into the left hand as I reach forward with this arm. Remember, balance. Go in and out of balance, we're gonna wobble. Embrace the opposition, reaching in both directions. Go back beautifully, slow and lower. Plant the toes down. This can be your tree. Right here, pressing through the support leg. You don't want to sink into the hip. Press, press, press. You can bring it up into that shin space and pressing through the mat and into my leg. Squeezing my glutes, shoulders are open, my heart is soft. If you'd like to bring it higher, you can. No competition. Be in a place that you can challenge your balance, you can learn about yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, and keep your body safe. Press, 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 press. Pressing into the floor and into my leg. Press, 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 press. Still squeezing my glutes, shoulders are relaxed. And gently bring it forward and lower. We're going to do that once more. Find that beginning posture. Shoulders roll up, inhale. Let it out dramatically. Again. Arms go up. Swing, shoo! Lower your head. And the right knee comes in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it in. Hand to hip. Gaze to the side. Open the arm up wide. Reaching that belly button toward the spine and bring it forward. Left hand reaches up. Right hand reaches toward the toes. Squeezing the glutes. Kicking into the right hand. Just gently, we're going to find that dancer pose. Reach, 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 reach. Opposition. And go slowly back, slowly back, slowly back. Pressing into the supported leg. Reaching up. Lower the toes. Hands come to prayer. Squeeze the glutes. Right here. Shoulders are open. Heart is soft. You can lift it into a beautiful tree. A tree. We're just sending energy through the supported leg. As we're pressing against the other leg, feel free to bring up your leg if you like. I'm just going to demonstrate it right here so you can see all the different options. I want to avoid lifting my shoulders, but relax the shoulders. Lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. Think about my belly button squeezing toward my spine. Engage in the glutes. Glorious. Knee comes in front. It's going to come right here as if it's a beautiful table. And you're going to reach toward your foot. Just here. Big inhale. And lower all the way up. Other side. Bringing it in. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one. Catch the knee. Grab the hip and rotate if you'd like. Open that arm up if that's something that you feel like you can try. Bringing it back, sending the left leg back, reaching the toes with the left hand. Right arm goes up, squeezing the glutes together, press into that supported leg. We're going to kick into that foot. Reach, 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 opposite direction. We're going to fill that space out. It's not a competition. It's just a beautiful challenge of moving in and out of balance. Lower the toe. Find your prayer. Find a space with that glorious tree. Don't sink. Press. Squeeze in the glutes. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Shoulders are relaxed. Heart is open. Engage that belly. Gorgeous. Big inhale. Knee is going to come forward, lift it up. It's like a table right here. Now, we're going to reach toward our toes. It's going to feel a bit wobbly. Reach, 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 reach. Embrace the wobble. Press in. Send it all the way down, flat back. Toe heel your feet apart a little bit so it's a bigger space. Grab elbows. And just sway side to side. Bending your knees, hands come to your knees, rolling the spine up. And that is your flow, my friends. I hope you remember in life, we're going to flow in and out of balance, just like we did in this flow. Sometimes our balance will be better. Sometimes we'll feel more grounded, more stable. And sometimes our mind will be reeling and our body will be wobbling. And both scenarios teach us things, help us expand and become who we're capable of becoming. So here's to going in and out of balance.